Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into OpenClaw, an innovative open-source AI assistant that takes productivity to a new level. Want to automate tasks, manage your calendar, or send messages right from apps like WhatsApp or Telegram? OpenClaw has you covered. So, what is it? OpenClaw is a powerful personal AI that integrates with your favorite chat platforms. Unlike other assistants, it can proactively manage tasks and even act on your behalf. The best part? It's fully open source, so you control your data. Ready to install it? The easiest way is with Docker. Just open your terminal and run docker pull snippet OpenClaw then. Start it with a simple run command. Don't worry, I'll put the full commands in the description below. Once it's running, you can access the dashboard at localhost 8082. Configure everything. That's it. You're ready to streamline your life with your own AI assistant. If this guide was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us how you'll use OpenClaw in the comments. Thanks for watching.